What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to show you super quickly and easily how to change out the watch band on your Samsung Galaxy Watch, or really almost any other smartwatch as well. Super simple. They have redesigned this to be extremely user-friendly, easy to do, no more fumbling with pins, stuff like that. Let's get started. Probably going to want to open it up so you can get a little bit more room in here. But basically, we're going to be working with that guy right there. If you can see, we're just going to push that in and it comes undone. It is spring loaded. See how it goes like that? So we're going to do that on the other side here. Just push it in, and then to reinstall the new band, or in this case the old band, same process. We're just going to push in with our fingernail, and we are going to slide it into place. Easy peasy. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.